putain de merde! Salut tout le monde, comment ça va? Aujourd'hui on va réagir à Trench Town de Cochise. Putain ce que ça fait longtemps. Putain ça fait tellement longtemps que j'attends cet album les gars. Guettez, si on va dans les albums ça fait depuis
octobre 2024, il a pas sorti d'album.
son dernier album, c'était une masterclass absolue. Pas cette année mais tous les ans d'habitude je fais un perfect avec le nouvel an quand avec un drop dans un son à minuit. Et c'était un son dans cet album, c'est une masterclass. C'était un son dans cet album là. Cochise c'est même pas mon artiste préféré mais il faut avouer que c'est quand même un génie. Voilà, donc on va pas perdre plus de temps. On va tout de suite écouter Trench Town les gars. 3, 2, 1. Attends, j'enlève aléatoire quand même. Let's go. Ok.
I forgot to send my bitch a text. Yellow diamond neck. Throwing plays like break. I done got some green on me like Shrek. Ain't no way. He won't smoke. Fucking vape. Hop a dick. Kevin Gates. Up a dick. Get a stomach.
Non, il est bon, il est bon.
I might pay for the coochie like I'm key. I might pay for the coochie like I'm
Non, il est très très bon. Il est très très bon.
Them can't ramp with Cochise. Nobody can talk to Cochise. Who not go dead? Real bad man, real bad man music this.
Bon ça on l'a déjà écouté les gars. On va pas faire genre. Il est très très bon Cochise. Il est très très bon Cochise. Vous savez, il y a à peu près un mois, Cochise il a fait des TikTok en mode arrêtez de me demander l'album et tout. Genre je drop pas si je veux, etc. Et c'était un bait. Il faisait le mec en mode ouais vas-y je veux plus drop d'album et tout. Je garde tout dans le rôle parce que je peux et tout. Et les gens et moi aussi on commençait à perdre espoir. Mais c'est juste un bait pour nous surprendre. Évidemment les gars, c'est bien aussi, mais wesh Cochise d'habitude il a une bonne vibe et tout. Et là il commence à faire des TikTok en mode bah les couilles tu sais. Mais c'était un piège. Et on est tous tombés dedans. Ok. 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 J'aime beaucoup le dans l'instrumental. Vraiment bon. Oh wow!
Drop passes all in my ear, is you crazy? Drop 40,000
Oh wow!
is you crazy? Since you wanna have my baby, is you crazy? Is you crazy? I got bags, ain't that crazy? That's my girl, that's my baby. All these niggas on my dick, that shit don't faze me.
Il a faim, il a faim!
In that pussy, baby, hollers, that bitch tasty. If I that heater, then that bitch go eat you. If I that heater, then that bitch go eat you. It's gon' eat your face. Am I loyal to? He gon' beat the case. Am I loyal to? He gon' beat the case. Get my thanks to God. He gon' get the praise. He gon' get it. I don't wanna go with some things.
Non, il est très très bon. Il est très très bon. Il est très très bon les gars. Vraiment. Test fit Prada Bokchari. Je connais pas. Je connais pas. C'est toi, cadre auditeur. Ouais, que je, au moins je sais.
Hey, don't look at me crazy, I connect kids. You dig, I connect kids. You know I ain't capping, I connect kids. Yeah, I cannot you saying they pull up some geek shit, slaughter your daughter. Tang, walk on a ranch, she read for this shit on up in that car. Tony Stark on up in that eye. Billy Glock, don't play with no toy. Drop that bag, don't play with these boys. What the fuck, hey, y'all? Step on the hallway, hop on. Yeah, showing nobody my joint. Do the button next to go back to the line. What? I know I'm wrong, but no, I ain't sorry. She finna ride on the dick, she ride on the dick. Lil' mama screaming.
What?
Lil' mama riding the shit, she riding my dick. Lil' she think I'm a Harley. Lil' mama loving the dress, she living the dress, she think I'm a Marley. Yeah, I woke up, I looking for Trish. I done spit it all over the ground.
What?
Ain't no more tapping with me, cause I heard on the man of time. Heard these niggas won't be for the gang. So these niggas I ain't shutting down. Hey, you know that the Drake got a kick. Hit it once and the boy turning around.
What? Attendez, j'ai pas de genre à mettre pause, mais les gars. What? Non. Le son il est incroyable. Je pas le genre à mettre pause, mais les gars. Non. Il est trop fort. Il est trop fort. Il est trop fort. Je continue. Oh là 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 là. Mais putain de merde. Non, il est trop fort. Non, la vie de ma mère, il est trop fort.
Natalie 9, my bitch, she a baddie. I shoot at his stomach, I shoot at his tummy, I feel it like Eddie. Yeah, my foot on the gas, my foot on the gas, you know how I be. I'm out with the killers, I'm out with them Jones, I'm out with them V's. I'm blessed, rich, handsome, fuck it, I do what I please. Yeah, I have in a V, I'm driving relentless in this energy. If the bitch acting up, I hit your best friend. Bitch won't talk, told her I'm not listening. Popping out, pussy like a Rice Krispie.
Il a fait mieux que le son d'avant. Mais comment il fait? Mais que quelqu'un l'arrête. Comment il fait? Comment il fait? Mais comment il fait, gros? Mais comment tu fais, Coaches? Comment tu fais? Mais comment il fait? Mais comment il fait? Mais il a la dalle! Il a la dalle! Et dire que j'allais oser dire que l'instrumental était répétitif. J'allais oser dire hein. Qui est Lilo, voyons voir. Oh wow, comment je connais pas. Oh voilà, je teste. Alors j'écoute.
She wanna pop up pink. Told her I don't do no drugs. She was like, nigga, you drink. I got a reason for that. Niggas don't know where I'm at. You too paranoid. Stuck in this bitch with a strap. I don't even know what I did. Niggas don't fuck with the kid. My son playing soccer. Fuck it, I bought him a field. Wasn't even born in the streets, I be how I be. But fuck it, you die if you reach. I don't need to smoke no weed, but fuck it, I gotta smoke if you need it. You gotta size me once, I put on the spot like I'm Gilbert Arenas. Fuck it, I feel like Serena, you try my twin, he turn into Venus. I already know what I think, she sent me a picture, her ass on the sink. I could flash 100,000 right at your moment you blink. I don't need to click on the link, she wanna pop up pink. Told her I don't do no drugs, she was like, nigga, you drink. I got a reason for that, niggas don't know where I'm at. You too paranoid, stuck in this bitch with a strap. I don't even click on the link, ain't no middleman, they send it to me. Ay, ain't even get to the sheets, this hoe so fast, she quicker than me. Hey, I make a bitch top shelf, a whole new swag when she get to the D. Okay, I told my niggas to shelve it, no more sales, we keeping it clean. I'm T and I pressed on me, wrong move, I pressed on me. Ranked up just to motivate him, treat a op nigga like my best homie. Bougie in the room, pet showing, came just to leave a mess on me. Crazy how a nigga life work, you was on the game when I met Sony. I ain't in all the grunt shit, but the kick rock like it's mesh on it. If I ain't in the whole top pick, then I'm big three like the best on it. When you see me, I'm on big business, might as well put a vest on me. Homie acting like a cool cat, nigga mood changed when he met Odie. New Detroit nigga step over, you the type of nigga stepped over. Mama had a nigga shoes tied up, trap house was a step over. Fuck Rory cause the vet coded, sick hoes tryna strep over. My young dog still twitching for a body, whole squad look meth coded. What's all the talk about patience? Probably cause all of you niggas complacent. Give a fuck about the standing ovation, big body coated with standing abrasions. I got a couple of hoes that ask where I'm at, they send the location. I know a couple of Haitians, chop it body and leave it in basement. I know the bitch was bad for me, but fuck it, it is what it is. I told y'all I'm burning the bridge. I'm thinking God we ain't having any kids. I can't trust this bitch no more. Fuck it, you did what you did. Fuck it, I guess my heart got broke. I feel this shit on my ribs. She wanna hit cause I'm rap. I wanna hit cause the pussy look fat. I hop out the cool to the track. We do him like Ricky, get hit in the back. The fuck, the nigga won't give me a dap. This nigga retarded, I hit him with slaps. The fuck, turtle we not even dating. This bitch getting mad cause she want a relation. Say she finna add to your life, she said track. Say she finna add to your life, she said track. And she said she lay it, don't believe it, that she kept. And she said she lay it, don't believe it, that's a trap. I can't fall in love, I can't do it, my shit blank. I been in my feelings by this girl.
Oh, laissez-moi joyeux.
I can't fall in love with no shit too intense.
Laissez-moi joyeux.
Don't believe it, that's a trap.
Laissez-moi joyeux, wesh.
I can't believe it. I can't believe it. The pretty please. Keep your head up.
C'est pas... Il me fait pas penser à un truc spécifique.
Keep your head
Mais si il me fait penser à un truc, c'est un truc spécifique.
Keep your head up. On that sad shit. For that sad shit. Get a bad bitch. Fuck it. Grab a bad bitch. Get a bad bitch. Get a bad bitch. Get a bad bitch. Get a bad bitch. I left on that next to the nigga I can't know. I been in my day, niggas know the way I. And my bitch.
Ouais, donne le smile. Le son.
I've been so depressed. I've been so depressed.
Et souris aussi là.
Shit up on my chest.
Ne pas sourire, juste pour ne pas sourire là. Allez, souriez.
Keep your head up, 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 keep your head. I remember when you call me, you don't call no more. When I land in your city, I don't even know where to go. Even took it out,
Hey.
now I gotta make it, make me really different. Fuck it with a weed, fuck it with a drink, fuck it with them bitches, fuck it, I got keep sipping. Told her shut it down, I got big, I done told her suck, hold it deep like a link, I done told her suck, hold it deep like a link. I got so much on my mind, don't even know where to think. I got so much on my mind, don't even know where to think. EA, big dick for every bitch, like I'm bring. Say she finna add to your life, she said track. Say she finna add to your life, she said track. Say she said she lay it, don't believe it, that she kept. Say she said she lay it, don't believe it, that's a trap. Keep your head up, 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 keep your head up. On that sad shit, for that sad shit. Get a bad bitch, fuck it, grab a bad bitch, grab a bad bitch, get a bad bitch.
Non, le son il est incroyable, les gars.
Keep your head up, 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 keep your head up. On that sad shit, on that sad shit, for that sad shit. Get a bad bitch, fuck it, grab a bad bitch, grab a bad bitch, get a bad bitch, get a bad bitch, get a bad bitch, get a bad bitch.
Oh là 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 là. Aïe aïe aïe.
Who gotta have it? Who gotta have it? Who gotta have it? I need a have it. I thought I told you that my head hurt. Why you talking to me, girl? You know my head hurt. I keep
won't think about some things that make my head hurt. I pray to God for some healing, cause my head hurt. My head hurt. My head hurt. My head hurt. My head hurt.
Ok.
My head hurt. My head hurt. My head hurt.
I with it,
My
bum,
head
bum,
hurt. My head hurt. My head hurt. My head hurt.
Je crois qu'il a mal à la tête, je t'assure.
My head hurt. My head hurt. My head hurt. My head hurt. That Jameson ice. The that thing gave me ice. That Jameson ice. The that thing gave me ice. Solo Manhattan. Just on my head. Just on my head. Solo Manhattan. Just on my head. Just on my head. Solo Manhattan. I'm not with my bitch. I'm not with my bitch. No, I got see. My partner, he jump with your truck. My partner, he jump with your truck. My partner, he jump with your truck.
Oh.
So belly, he get in the cut. So belly, he get in the cut. I posted that's how we the flip. I posted that's how we the flip.
I with it, bum, bum, lad.
Wow.
That's about it.
Je connais un peu Daredevil. Il a l'air pas mal, hein. À tester, hein. Cet album là spécifiquement.
Try me and nigga go shoot. Get out of jail, my lawyer a Jew. I woke up with diamonds, I love my wrist. I woke up with bitches, I love my dick. I woke up and put me in line as a tryst. I woke up with titties, I love my fist. 442 cut and the spoke straight legs 2-4, but them folks in the cut getting made time for upgrade. Everything with a change and swinging up legs, you know with it, no thing. I'm on orange in a strange, I pop out that
Il avait fait un feat avec en 2008-2009 je crois. C'est pour ça que je connais. Alors qu'il a que de Victor, c'est ça que je connais.
White little window no seats. Empty place calls a bill for a day. I spilled the bottle like baby done did. I was thinking it wasn't enough. And it don't be that crazy.
Je sais qu'il est pas mal, hein.
Put up nigga no call on your blood, got that jab one shot.
Je vais aller voir.
Picture like Batman, bad against Saturdays. Rain cast on the grace and anatomy. Go through pages to end out academy. And it made it on high stage. Set a space for these fan count base. Get a place right in front of the gate. If you feed the next dangerous, you lead in the straight. I'm playing my seat.
Alors il y a peut-être un changement. Mais j'ai pas même là. Ouais, c'est pas dans. Là, je me suis trompé d'album, je sais pas. Pas mal. Tu verras sur Spotify, il y a pas. Il a pas fait ton album ou que ça. J'aime bien le son, mais c'est pas mon préféré, tu vois. Eh, vas-y, il est incroyable. Et je vois, il y a Pretty après, il faut vraiment que j'arrive à me mettre dans l'ambiance, j'arrive jamais à... Pas non plus me forcer à aimer, mais genre j'arrive pas à... J'arrive pas à capter le truc, vous voyez. Oh, c'est bête les gars. C'est tous des gens avec plein de auditeurs mensuels, hein. Je connais personne sur cet album, à part Coachise. auditeurs après tout. Oui. Pensez un peu moins. Oh mon dieu. Pourtant je trouve les visuels de l'album matchent bien avec les sons. Pourtant celui-là, le son est très très bien. Et le visuel associé au son, je sais pas. Il dégage pas la même énergie, vous voyez ou pas ce que je veux dire? Mais c'est pas important hein. Baby boy Scotchies.
Chopper out the trunk. Do a nigga say, murder on my mind. Give a fuck about a man. I so geeked up, my partner girls on the grass.
Pockets green as fuck, that shit gon' blend in with the grass. Fuck nigga talkin', we gon' pop him in his ass. Fuck nigga talkin', we gon' pop him in his ass. I done fuck this bitch so good, she might turn to a bird.
I'm hitting this hoe like a bad. I'm hitting this hoe like a bad. I'm hitting this hoe like a bad. I'm beating this hoe like a dad. I'm beating this hoe like a dad. My pockets ain't filled with the cash. My pockets ain't filled with the cash.
Ok. J'aime bien les AU8. Les drums sont bien aussi. Le bruit aigu aussi derrière. Comme ça là. L'effet un peu étoile filante. Vous voyez? Bon, je suis là le codé hein. Pourquoi Spotify à chaque fois il change l'ordre? Comme j'ai dit, on le connaît déjà. Hashtag. Il est beau, il est pas mal. J'aime bien le visuel. Finalement, il est pas serein. Il est pas serein sur le visuel. Yeah, she eat on it like it's corn. I hit from the back like a porn. She blow on it like a horn. Yeah, I don't look at the niggas, I only just look at the Lord. Yeah, the FM beside me is wrapped up around me like horns. Yeah, I caught me a drink, I might cop me a drink up a force. Yeah, yeah. I put that right to your senses, I'm leaving you gone. With my twin, killer with gun. L'Oreal, I get the money, I'm making it strong. Wake up and leak to the racks. I treat my bed like a brat. Yeah, oh, break up on me when it makes. These niggas ain't know I got rich. I put that right to your senses, I'm leaving you gone. With my twin, killer with gun. L'Oreal, I get the money, I'm making it strong. If they fake, we cut them off like lunch. You're tired of waking up. Outro.
Bad bitch from the hood. Tell that bitch, hey, how you doing? Done dick in her mouth, catch a yawn. I hold my granny proud of her grandson. I hold my granny proud of her grandson. Cause I be really out here and I'm the one. My money, it be greener than the straight. I really did some shit that I regret. I really hate that hoe I wish she met. I mean, I really never wish we met. She said she finna tell her brother, tell her bitch. I hope your baby brother really let her live. Rather die, why you really giving up? You told me you was never letting up. No. Like. I hate losing you. Keep a smile, they don't know what I'm going through. Why you never see them signs I was showing you? And I be hating with my fans, they be trolling you. You hit me up right now, I be the same way. Back fat in the pants, had the tan one. If a nigga mention you, I'm finna aim one. Cause I do not care what they saying. These niggas always treat me like a villain. I got some bitches on my line, they penicillin. Sometimes I think of fucking bitches on the ceiling. You my Android, baby, I'm your Krillin. Never pullin' up cause we gon' have some children. These niggas, they be lacking on their realness. Wish I never told this stupid bitch my feelings. Yeah, I told that bitch one time by that gate. I told that bitch come in and give me that cake. She wanna put her, she gon' let me eat a cake. Say you wanna take my bitch, hell no. Fat about to get it, hell no. Say you wanna get rich, hell no. I ain't helping out of them. I'm only helping out of bitch. And I ain't talking about no silver. I'm just trying to get my dick licked.
Magnifique. 8 sur 10. Conclusion à chaud. J'aime beaucoup l'album. Très très bon. Mais ça dépassera jamais Why Always Me. Pourquoi? Alors déjà parce que Why Always Me est un 10 sur 10. Mais pourquoi est-ce que c'est un 10 sur 10? Si Why Always Me n'était pas sorti, l'album que j'ai d'écouter serait un 10 sur 10, ok? Ce qui fait que l'album que j'ai d'écouter ne dépasse pas Why Always Me, c'est que Why Always Me a une DA beaucoup plus prononcée. En fait, je sais pas comment expliquer. Comment expliquer ça? Dans ses clips, évidemment, il y a pas de clip encore vraiment sorti dans l'album que j'ai d'écouter. Peut-être que ça va prendre avec le temps et tout. Mais genre, la manière dont il s'habillait, vraiment, vous voyez ou pas, il y avait un truc de... Il y avait quelque chose en plus. La DA, elle était plus avec les abeilles, avec... Alors que là, il y a des chiens. Il y a des chiens, mais... Voyons pas ce que je veux dire. Pour ceux qui ont écouté Voyons les amis à sa sortie, je pense qu'ils vont comprendre. Je m'excuse de pas réussir à trop décrire. Mais non, cet album est très 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 bon. D'accord, me faites pas dire ce que j'ai pas dit. Il est excellent. C'est un 8, voire 9 sur 10. Mais voilà, en termes de conclusion, cet album-là restera meilleur. Même si au niveau des sons, en eux-mêmes, ça se tape. Hein. Ouh, ça se tape sale. Ouh, ça se tape très très sale. Voilà. Mais en termes d'album global, voilà, il est deuxième derrière Why Always Me. Voilà. Donc voilà les gars, j'espère que cette vidéo vous aura plu. Si c'est le cas, n'hésitez pas à liker, commenter, partager. À vous abonner aussi. Hein. C'est gratuit, hein, c'est gratuit. Avec la cloche ou pas, je m'en bats les couilles. Sur ce, moi je vous dis à très bientôt. C'était Camix. Salut tout le monde.